wine time.
Jamming gears in a 9-speed hood, I'd pull it in if I knew I could. The old truck stop's been gone a long time, so kick it in the rear and put the hammer down.
Let's put this show on the road, shall we?
18 wheels just laying it down, and you can hear that humming sound. Pouring coal from a bright chrome stack, riding soft like a Cadillac. It's my life, it's my love, it's my Peterbilt 359.
I'm watching you guys.
Welcome back to the channel. It's Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. Hey, it's a cold, snowy Northern Ohio night outside. We're supposed to get dumped on tonight, which I hope doesn't happen, but it can happen around here. We're in the snow belt, but the lake isn't froze over yet, so maybe that won't happen. Maybe it'll just kind of like go right over us and then to the rest of the world. But anyways, so I thought, it's a cozy night. What could I do? Hey, I've been wanting to get at some model work. Model trucks, yeah. I know some of you guys are into that too. And I have just the ticket tonight. Now, some of you have given me kits over the past couple years. This is one of them. And I think I'll kind of open this one up tonight. And this is a special one, as really all of them are that you guys give me, because they're old school kits. And I appreciate it. I always appreciate when you guys think of me. I'm honored that you think of me and you give me these kits and things. But anyways, this one's been here since I had Joyride. And I got to tell you, I want to give a shout out to Kevin. Is it Coaster? Kevin Coaster that sent this to me, and he wrote a very nice letter with it, and I want to share that with you guys just a little bit. He said, "Hi Dane, I was watching one of your YouTube videos about Joyride, and it triggered an old memory of somewhere back in the early 70s. You have no idea how huge that is for me. I went to the barn and scrounged around in some of my old junk and found a goodie I thought you might appreciate. This oldie has your name written all over it. If it's not a good fit, please pass it on to someone you think would treasure it." Well, I got news, Kevin. I treasure it, and I can't wait to build it. So I want to tell you I appreciate it. So let's take a look here. Let's do a little unboxing of a very old mouse modified. Yep. Look at that. The Mises were hungry. I hope they're long since dead. But yeah, this is one of the original California hauler kits. Yep, it just screams 70s. And I got to tell you guys, this is what I thought of when I saw Joyride, that 85 359 that I bought from Junior in Cleveland. Remember Junior? You guys need parts. This is the man to get a hold of. Okay, so this is what was in my mind when I saw that truck, because it wasn't stretched. It had the coffin sleeper, and it just looked right. Had the one air cleaner on this side. It was a California hauler to me, and that's what turned me on to it. So, as you guys know, I bought it, and that was Joyride. And I did my thing to it, and then he got sold. He went on to greener pastures, someone who was going to really do a good restoration on it. So, but I think another 359 will end up in the Truckers Lounge someday. I'm very attached to them, especially if they look like this. I mean, what is so cool about this? I've already told you, no stretching, coffin sleeper, single painted air cleaner, the old school high windows. I love that. The air conditioner on the roof, the 4 or 5 inch stacks, and I really like when the small tanks with the steps are right under the door and there's nothing back here, just the air tank. But, and this has got, the short bumper too. All of these things combine to make what I believe is the best looking Peterbilt. So here we are. Got some other goodies in here that Kevin sent me. This is a brochure, Torturing Truck Tires in Texas. That's nice. That to me looks like a needle nose Pete. Coming at you, hammer down. I don't know if he's safe and sound. Look at that. Little Goodyear action. Chewed on by the Mises, of course. Nice. Well, that's cool. Look at that old Impala. Yeah, I guess it's a Goodyear brochure. Yeah, it is. There's the old Goodyear truck tires. I love those old bias tires. I mean, for a look. Obviously, they didn't ride like a radial, but geez, the look of old school tires. Much more preferable. Okay, and we got us some instructions. Little bubble wrap. Da da da. Nice, nice job, Kevin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so cool. I mean, this thing hasn't even been hardly started at all. Look at the old school decal sheet. I don't know if I would trust removing those because they'd probably fall apart, but who knows. There we go. Stinking cool. I love it. Okay, come on. Come to Papa. I think they reissued this kit, but you can't get better than an original kit. Look at that little yellowing going on, but she's there. Oh, man. Yeah. And it looks like it's pretty nicely intact. No distortion. Looks pretty nice. This is going to look so cool. I can't wait to start building this kit. But I got to decide on paint. What the heck color should I paint it? Don't say green. Green follows me. But you never know. Sometimes it grows on me too. Here's the ivory wheel. It's not too bad a shape. Probably we'll have to heat that and kind of straighten it out a little bit. I hate a crooked steering wheel. There we go. Little horn action. I say horn, not horn. Okay. The tires are even pretty darn cool in this kit. They're Goodyears. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Says Goodyear. Those aren't bad, but I know they make aftermarket wheels now and tires. All kinds of parts you can buy for these. And that kit is sealed, fellas. Well, okay, it's open, but it's all there. It's all there, waiting to be built in the Trucker's Lounge. This video is brought to you by BRUNT, transforming high-performance workwear. Ain't no sandals in this here work truck. So you guys know that anytime you see me on the road going somewhere, you know I got something good for yous, don't you? Yeah. Good for yous, good for me. Wow, there's some cool trucks here at Truck World this morning. Look at that. Man, look at that nice old 359. Old school. Sweet. Look at this killer 359. Man, that's killer. That's old school cool. find the most coolest old school trucks here at Truck World. Isn't that amazing? Man, I thought you guys would appreciate seeing that bad boy. 1971 359. And it's being pulled by a 71 359. We're going to take a look at him as he pulls out from the fuel pumps here. Crazy. here with Trace Rice, and he kind of escorted a very special package up here. Did more than escort, you brought it. So I appreciate it, buddy. It's an awesome pleasure meeting you and sharing stories and the trucks, of course. So
Absolutely.
all right. Oh, hey. So what do you guys think of those apples, huh? I know. Trucks come and go here at the Truckers Lounge, and sometimes I think I'm going to keep them, and then circumstances change, so don't be too upset. That Pete 359 is a 1971 small window, very factory original truck. It's killer. So I'm going to be showing it to you in depth here in the coming videos. But first we got to get busy and get it power washed and get it cleaned up and start shining and doing what I do here in the Truckers Lounge. So if you like the old school content and the old school trucks, you're in the right place. So before I let you go, the man there that I did business with, Trace Rice, he made a cameo appearance in one of Long Haul Paul's music videos. Now, if you're not familiar with Long Haul Paul, very unique Southern style trucking, country, folk music, and I think you might enjoy it. So I'm going to put the link down below to the video called Beans and Corn that Trace made a cameo appearance in, and maybe you'll just enjoy Long Haul Paul's music as well. So until next time, keep the hammer down, safe and sound. Ready to rock there, Colombo?
Yeah,